friends, Tracy Bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome. I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you the goodies that I have for my customers this month in March. So anyone that places an order in my online store, I'll have a link in the description of this video as well as on the screen. In the month of March, we'll receive the Simple Suite Stampers Tutorial Bundle. This month we're focusing on the lovely Blosssoms Suite. So you'll get 12 amazing cards with full colour photos, all your measurements and instructions in the kit. Now, this is free for any size order. You can also receive this absolutely free by being part of my INKY Stampers team. So if you would like to purchase the starter kit through me, my team members get the bundle tutorial every single month for free. So it's an amazing deal. We focus on a suite each month. So this is the lovely Blosssoms Suite, and yeah, inside you'll have some beautiful cards and all the instructions are in there as well. So as you can see, I'll bring them up a little bit closer so you can see each card. 12 amazing projects, really pretty, and using that whole suite. Now, for anyone who purchases in my online store of $50 or more before shipping, so over $50 without shipping included, I will be sending one card kit from the beautiful Paper Pumpkin Expressions in Colour. This is the June 2021 card, so it's 3 different designs. You'll receive one of those in the mail. You'll also be invited to a special exclusive group where we will get together one night and make the cards, have a little bit of fun, chit chat, all those great things. So if that interests you, all you need to do is place that order in March. So each month there'll be a different Paper Pumpkin kit, so which is amazing. And yeah, it's only available in the US and Canada, so we can't actually purchase this here in Australia. So this is a little bit of an extra bonus. I purchased these through a couple of friends and picked them up while I was on holidays a couple of years ago, and yeah, they're still sitting in my craft room, and I thought this is a great way of sharing them with my customers. So let's have a look at the 3 cards up close. There is beautiful vellum in this kit, so 3 different cards. There is a little bit of twine, we've got embellishments, we've got rhinestones, we've got glue dots, these plain envelopes. So there's actually 2 different sizes, a small and a large. And then we have the kit. So we've got labels, beautiful vellum, look at that, stunning. We have card bases here, so beautiful purples, got some more die cuts. We've got a really nice dark green. I'm not even sure what colour that is, but it's very pretty. We've got some more labels. We have yellow card bases, some more vellum. Really nice. So, and we have the sentiments in the vellum. And that's it. So you'll receive everything you need to create your card, and we'll have a little bit of fun as we're popping them together and chit-chatting. But yeah, if that interests you, you would like to receive a free card kit and be part of that group, as well as the Simple Suite Stampers Tutorial Bundle, place an order in my online store, tracy.bish.stampinup.net, and we'll get these out to you. So yeah, thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section or get in touch with me, whichever is easier for you. And I look forward to crafting with you throughout the month of March. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye.